What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is significant for the crypto market and for XRP, right? For anything that really is within this battle, this is really, really significant because if you don't know what happened, you saw XRP have a ruling, right? They were in a battle, a 2-year plus battle with the SEC, trying to fight whether XRP is a security. That Ripple was in a battle with the SEC to fight whether XRP was a security and all of these things that they allegedly did, right? And it turns out the end decision was that XRP was not a security. Everybody was happy. XRP went up to about 95 cents. It basically doubled in price, and a lot of people were happy. The market went up to a $1.29 trillion market cap. But before that, we did see a battle that was another court case and another court case that came to be, which is Coinbase versus SEC and Binance versus SEC, and as well as Kraken, going through that settlement and everything there. And then Terra Luna Classic and all of that, right? So it's been consistent battles, right? But seeing XRP having a win was huge for the market because now it brings case law into the mix, right? Where you have this case to go off of if you're Binance or Coinbase or whatever else ends up coming up as, hey, you're a security, and then they're like, no, we're not. Let's battle for this, or let's go ahead and submit our cases. So obviously this was a big win. However, the SEC decided that they wanted to appeal the decision, saying that basically the judge didn't know what they were talking about, right? And that's not right, right? You see a decision, you want to appeal it. I mean, by law, you're allowed to submit an appeal, but whether that appeal gets denied or approved is on the person that oversees it, or the group that oversees it, right? Anyways, I wanted to talk about this because we have a significant change within this, where the submission for the appeal has been denied, which is fantastic, right? There's going to be no appeal, which means XRP should skyrocket, right? Well, XRP is not really making a move right now, so let's go into the details as well as give you an understanding as to what will happen as we move along. And what did happen, what was taken away from XRP and the crypto market as a whole with this thought of an appeal and this fight of, an appeal. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. Also, if you want to check out my new credit card YouTube channel, it is up in the cards. We're at 150 plus subscribers. We're growing actually quicker than I thought we would. So I wanted to create a bunch of videos. We create shorts videos and a bunch of credit card videos. So if you're interested in that, feel free to check that out. Link will be in the cards. But if we look at XRP right now, it's currently at about 54 cents. It's up 4.5%. Today is slightly positive. It's more flat than anything, but it's slightly positive. We see that, again, we're at a $28.5 billion market cap. This was up to about a $50 billion market cap. So it was really pushing the level. It was really pushing up to a lot of the level and what we expected it to get to. If we look at the circulating supply has increased from the last time I looked at it in depth. It's at 53%. I believe it was at 51% at that time, or somewhere around like 40 something percent. I'll have to check. But it did increase, and it slowly does increase as they add more coins from the total supply. So we're seeing it at about a 53 billion coin supply, and I'm sure that's going to continue to increase. Volume is up on the day 133% to $1.8 billion. I guess people may be back and forth, right? A little bit speculative or skeptical on what's going to happen, right? You saw it at a 51 cent price and then skyrocketed up to about a 54 cent price, where you see people that are probably taking profit. A 5 cent move or a 4 cent move is huge. It's really, really big for a lot of day traders and swing traders. So you can understand why you would see a little bit of a pullback, but a lot of people expected so much more positivity out of it because you did have that denial. Well, here's the different detail right here, right? So U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres denied the Security and Exchange Commission's request to appeal part of her decision in a high-profile lawsuit against Ripple Labs over its sale of the digital token XRP. In July, Torres or Judge Torres found that some of Ripple's institutional sales of XRP were unregistered securities offerings in violation of federal law. However, she ruled that other XRP distributions by Ripple did not qualify as security transactions. The SEC quickly sought to appeal the latter part of Torres' order, arguing that it set a dangerous precedent for applying securities law to crypto assets. But today, Torres rejected the SEC's appeal bid, finding it not met the legal standard for an early appeal before trial. So this is big, right? The rejection for the SEC's motion to appeal is seen as a significant victory for Ripple, which has been fighting the lawsuit for several years. The lawsuit alleges that Ripple violated investor protection laws by selling over $1.3 billion worth of XRP starting in 2013 without registering the offers and sales of XRP. So anyways, this is huge, right? Understanding that we have the appeal that is denied should create a little bit more of an impact for the market. And we should expect XRP to run just like it did before. Well, no, right? The market is not really, it usually plays like catch up to the market, but the market is not really set up for anything to have a major bullish momentum to completely overhaul the market, right? We need to see a lot of other things that are taking place, and we're starting to see those lay out. Adoption, we're starting to see the fight against Coinbase and Binance really go more cryptocurrency's way, right? In favor of cryptocurrency rather than not being in favor of it. But the problem is with what happened here was that all momentum was taken away from XRP. It's like if you go ahead and you're in a sprint, you're in a 100-meter dash, right? And you decide you starting to run, and then you hit a little hiccup, like you hit a little speed bump or you trip over something, right? You can never get that same momentum back that you were at, right? Because you may trip, you may fall, get back up, and you're not running at the same speed you were running because you hit that speed bump, right? Your leg may be damaged, something like that. That's basically what happened. And they knew that even if it didn't come out on top, or even if they didn't come out on top, the SEC thought that, that they would still have a market that's not fully recovered yet, right? If they're not big fans of cryptocurrency, they would still have a market that's not fully recovered. And that's basically where we stand. You have to understand what the market will do. People are still skeptical about where the SEC stands and what adoption will be, how many people are willing to invest into the markets. We're very skeptical of what the next person's going to do because we honestly don't know, right? We don't know what crypto is going to be. People that are really invested in the crypto understand the crypto will be something, but they're not looking to double down or triple down because maybe they already did that as they saw it, decrease there. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about this. I know it's significant for the market, but we're not seeing that significant movement that we expected. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And guys, I have a credit card YouTube channel that I'm really trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I think we're, again, 150 subscribers. We're at like 200 hours of watch time. So we're, again, slowly making our way to the levels that we need to get to so that YouTube can start pushing all of our content. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.